We're here
Yeah,
in
we're
wonderful
Romania.
Romania. Look at this beautiful mountain, this beautiful place, the castles. Christiania, look, she's here. Look at her glowing. Oh my gosh, this is rough. Oh, I was about to get deep now. Oh my gosh.
You're barefoot, nice.
Yeah, I'm barefooting it and all this. People want to catch on. They're like, how did you do that?
Yeah.
Well, I took off my shoes. That's how you
That's the
start
first
out.
step, huh?
That's the first step.
You take off your shoes.
Like people say, how do you gain muscle? Well, you work out.
Yeah, that's simple, no?
Right. How do you fast? Well, you stop putting stuff
Stop
in your
eating.
mouth. I mean, come on now. We ain't got to make things difficult. But look at this. Look at that. Those like
Let's turn
pyramids.
around. Let's turn around. That's the
Oh,
spot. That's the spot. This is where we have the trip of the sun and the Pranic festival in
that's
Romania.
just it. So
This
you,
is it. There's the
oh my
Romanian
gosh.
thing. So right there where my finger is pointing.
And so guy was showing it to me on the, oh, we about to have a ball now.
Yeah,
Y'all about to
exactly.
come on down. It's the 15th. Get your ticket right now. Come on. We about to roll.
We're having fun here.
Every day the
You
retreat's
don't
already
want to miss
started.
it.
Oh my gosh, look at this. La 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 la. We traveling light too.
Yoo-hoo.
All my belongings is this is still too much.
Yeah, you have a lot.
Yeah, this is a lot. Oh man, this is good. Look at this.
And on Sunday, we meet for the conference. Everybody's waiting for us already in
Everybody's
Brașov.
waiting.
And it's going to also be online. It's going to be awesome.
All
We're
this
going
good
to have
stuff.
some fun.
Nourishing on light. And that's my message. I'm breaking it down even further. You know me.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
everybody can be
Gorgeous,
crystal
gorgeous.
clear. Oh my gosh, look at all this greenery.
Yeah.
This is Romania.
Green, yeah.
This is beautiful.
Yeah,
All
we're
this
having
photosynthesis.
yes, yes.
Oh my gosh,
It's nature at its peak
the
here.
air's so good here. Oh
Wait,
my
wait,
gosh.
wait till it gets up there.
Yeah, look at that right
You're
there.
you're gonna go up there and you're gonna feel air like never before. Well, we've been to the Himalayas, so
Yes.
I trust. But this is close to that.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Yeah,
we're about to roll.
we're gonna be up there in no time.
Oh
Like
man.
we drive a little, we walk a little, and then we're there.
Oh man. Did y'all hear this? We got the right spot.
Yeah,
Thank you. She
welcome.
got the right
Thank you.
spot for this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I just jumped across the pond.
Thank you for coming. It's beautiful to have you here.
This is a small world. Just
You
jump
just
across the
you just
pond.
jump
And
like
and
it's a
those of
little
you
river.
already in Europe, this is right down the street.
Oh gosh.
So you got to come on. We got to fill it up. We rolling. Look at that. Oh man. So peace and blessings. We'll keep y'all posted. And we're gonna keep on rolling.
Look at the police waving.
Oh
This
yeah,
is
he
the
like
this is the traffic jam of Romania.
the traffic jam of Romania. Look at this
Yes,
place.
we're having a busy time in the summer.
I even seen a castle on the way here. Oh my
Oh,
gosh, it's right up.
oh, it's over there.
Yeah, there it is. There's the castle.
There's the castle over there.
Can you
Yeah.
imagine somebody was had a castle back in the day, right up over there?
My friend has that castle. My best friend has that
Oh my gosh.
and they're having a Da Vinci exhibition
Oh
with all
man.
the machinery that he has built, and we're
Ooh.
gonna visit it during the trip of the sun.
We
Yeah,
rolling. We're gonna be all over the place.
yeah.
We're gonna turn this place out. It'll never be the same. La
Peace and
la
blessings.
la.